welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you me building in the Lego Movie 2 set, which includes Battle Ready Batman and Metal Beard, and also it's it it also includes Maddox. Some of you might not know who Maddox is. He was a character in the movie, and there's also the star in it too. Yes, the one villain who gets shooten out of the cannons which is on the UFO. So, before we get into it, be sure to click that subscribe button and completely destroy that like button. So let's get into it. Now I'll show you the packets which are in it. We have packet number 1, which I suspect that it's gonna make Batman, and the next we have packet number 3. Well, it's not in order, but it's fine until nothing goes wrong. I think these are the packs of Metal Beer. And next we have the instruction booklet. There are total 3 packets in this. And the last packet, I say that it's gonna make Metal Beard and Maddox. So you must be thinking there's no stickers. Yes, there are no stickers. Now we will start building it. So we have uh, three three bills. I mean two bills because it's kind of confusing because this guy is also standing over here. We first of a bill is Metal Beard. He has a sword and another sword, but and he also has a chainsaw for a foot. And he also has a gun foot, and he has a full sword foot. Now that's called crazy. And the best thing about it is when we do this and then we do this, it's a chest full of two sausages, two bones, and a soul. How interesting is that? And he has his two little hook arms. I don't think those arms will reach anything though. Next of our build is Batman's seat. Yes, it's not a seat because he's standing, but we call it a seat. As you can see, he is wearing tires at his shoulder pads. Kind of weird, nah? And he has two batarangs, and it also has a back hiding. Wanna see what this is poster holds? You're welcome. Like in the movie, it says you're welcome, and it rotates all over again. And next we have the star, the one of the villains in the movie, which shoots out of the UFO. As you can see as it was in the movie, the stars are alive and they explode. Pretty weird, nah? And next we have, I expect, Mad Ox. He has a spear and some spikes on his shoulders. How cool is that? And I don't know why he's not wearing any clothes. He's just wearing this and this. Nothing else. Now that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll meet in the next video.